Hi guys, we're going to replace the battery on the 911 keys. Most of the Porsches are the same keys. They're just the different buttons here on this side, but it's same principle. Just want to point something out. There is two sides to the key. This color actually separates it quite nicely, you will see. And you are going to have to use 2032s, very common batteries in majority of the keys actually, car keys. Using this plastic tool and using this thin screwdriver, so very easy to get to the battery. So what you first want to do is take the key. This is the manual key of the vehicle, so I usually use this to push. You can push with the hand if you like. So you take this out, then on here you will have a little tab that you have to insert from both sides here. Okay, so let's do this, and we're gonna go right to the edge. You're gonna push, and this side comes out, just like that. You're gonna do the same exactly with this side. That's it. So this comes out. Then, I usually use this tool. You can use a finger. I'm gonna twist the battery. And you're gonna put it face down. So plus is out, and you're gonna put it face down. Take a new one. Reinsert the cap. And now, just take your time with this because you just have to line up. It's actually very easy when you line it up. Clicks. Sometimes it gets that's it, and you're gonna put the key back in. Back in business.